Now that we removed our old preamp tubes and sourced some new preamp tubes, we are now going to install them. Installation of our tubes is exactly the opposite of removal. Our big concern is lining up this notch here with this notch in the tube. Being very careful not to bend these pins, we gently seat it on top of the tube socket and rock back and forth until it is completely seated. Do not twist or turn the tube. Now that we've got the preamp tubes replaced, we can move on to installing the power amp tubes. See you in the next section.